Good morning, Jake.
Morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, pretty well. How about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up a bit early.
Really? What time did you wake up?
Around 6:30.
That's early. Why so soon?
I wanted to do some stretching before breakfast.
Oh, nice. I should try that too.
You totally should. It helps me feel fresh.
Maybe tomorrow I'll join you.
Deal. We'll stretch together.
All right, but first, coffee.
Of course. Coffee first, always.
Did you already make some?
Yep, I brewed it about 10 minutes ago.
Perfect timing. You know me so well.
Yeah, I could hear your sleepy footsteps coming.
My morning walk from bed to kitchen.
That's your daily workout.
Hey, that's not true. I'll exercise later.
I'll believe it when I see it.
You'll see. I'll start from today.
Great. Let's go jogging after breakfast.
Jogging? Maybe walking first.
Okay. Slow start. I'm fine with that.
Thanks, Coach Jake.
Anytime, student Emma.
So what's for breakfast?
I was thinking scrambled eggs and toast.
Simple and perfect.
Do you want orange juice too?
Yeah, please. That sounds refreshing.
All right. I'll get the juice from the fridge.
Let me grab the plates.
Teamwork makes breakfast faster.
Exactly. We're a good team.
Always.
Do you want butter on your toast?
Just a little, please.
Got it.
And your eggs, soft or firm?
Soft, like always.
Soft it is.
You're getting good at this, Chef.
Well, practice makes perfect.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. I'll take that compliment.
So, what's your plan for today?
I have a workshop meeting at 10.
Oh, right, about that new project?
Yep, it's going to be a busy morning.
You'll do great. You always prepare well.
Thanks for the confidence boost.
You deserve it.
What about you? Any plans?
I'll clean up, then work on my online class.
Still doing the English course?
Yeah, today's lesson is about daily routines.
That's funny. You're living one right now.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect, right?
You sound like me now.
Maybe I'm learning from you.
Then I'm a good teacher.
Don't get too proud.
Too late.
Okay, breakfast is ready.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Smells good.
Yeah, the eggs turned out just right.
I love mornings like this.
Calm, simple, and tasty.
Exactly.
Do you want some jam?
Yes, please. Strawberry if we have it.
Yep, here you go.
Thanks.
You know, we should eat outside sometime.
Like on the balcony?
Yeah, with some fresh air.
That would be lovely.
Maybe this weekend.
Sure, let's plan that.
So, how's your coffee?
Strong, just how I like it.
Good. I didn't mess it up this time.
You never do.
Well, once I forgot the sugar.
Oh yeah, that was terrible.
You made that face. I'll never forget it.
Don't remind me.
Okay. No sugar mistakes again.
Promise?
Promise.
After breakfast, can you help me water the plants?
Sure. Are they thirsty again?
Always, especially the little ones.
I'll grab the watering can.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning chores make me feel organized.
Yeah, starting clean feels good.
Do you usually make a to-do list?
Sometimes it keeps my brain clear.
I need to start doing that.
Want me to show you how I do it?
Sure.
I'll just write 3 things I must finish today.
Only 3?
Yep, keeps it simple and realistic.
That's actually smart.
Try it.
I will.
Okay, let's finish breakfast first.
Done. That was yummy.
Glad you liked it.
I always do when you cook.
Now you're just being nice.
Maybe, maybe not.
All right, dishes time?
Let's do it together.
I'll wash. You dry.
Deal.
You know, this routine feels good.
It really does. Calm and cozy.
I like mornings when we're not rushing.
Me too. Life feels lighter.
Yeah, just coffee, sunshine, and us.
Sounds like a perfect start.
Let's keep it that way.
So, what time is your meeting again?
10 sharp.
You've got time.
Yeah, maybe I'll read a bit before that.
Good idea. I'll start my online class.
What's today's topic again?
Daily English for everyday life.
You're already practicing it perfectly.
I guess so.
You sound confident.
Thanks to you.
I'll take that credit.
You earned it.
All right, I'm gonna grab my laptop.
And I'll clean the table.
Don't forget to water those plants.
Already on it.
That's my girl.
You're funny.
I try.
You know, mornings used to feel so rushed.
Yeah, but now we take it slow.
It's healthier.
Mentally and physically.
Totally agree.
Okay, I'm ready for my day.
Me too.
Let's make it a good one.
Always.
Have a great morning, Emma.
You too, Jake.
See you after work.
Can't wait.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Smiles. Don't forget lunch.
I won't.
Good girl.
Now go before you're late.
Yes, ma'am. Have a beautiful day.